Can you feel the beat, all the energy? I loved it all from start. Can you see it clear, all the happy years? I kept them in my heart. The time of our lives, it was all about fun. We were the kids, it was all about fun. Remember it like it was yesterday.
This is the Sunday Life! Welcome to New Zealand!
Don't know how you remember it, but I hope you think it's alright. Timing felt so right, and we gave it all and gave them a fight.
Sunday Indonesia! Ingat balik! Ingat Sunday!
Nakakasiguro talaga tayo that what we are producing is 100% organic.
The time of our lives, it was all about fun. We were the kids, it was all about fun. Remember it like it was yesterday. We were the kids and we did okay. It was all
Ang favorite part ko dito sa pagpunta sa New Zealand, yung sumakay ako sa gondola. Overlooking, ang ganda talaga.
It was all about it was all about fun.
Experience the taste of New Zealand!
We were the kids, it was all about fun.
Ang favorite part ko ng trip na to is yung swimming with the view.
Remember it like it was yesterday. We were the kids and we did okay.
Welcome to New Zealand! This is the Sunday Life!
First time ko makasakay ng jet, but sobrang ganda ng scenery ng New
It
Zealand.
was all about it was all about fun. We was all about it was all about fun. We was all about we was all about fun. The time of our lives, it was all about fun. We were the kids, it was all about fun.
So this is it, Sante Partners. This is the last 2 days that we have here in New Zealand. Of course, in this travel, we have partners from the Philippines and partners from Indonesia visiting our barley farm and manufacturing facility in New Zealand. Truly, we're blessed to have Sante barley as our product coming from the best country in the world to plant barley grass, which is New Zealand. And of course, our objective is to bring more and more Sante partners from all over the globe here in New Zealand for them to experience not only the beauty of this country, but of course for them to experience how we harvest, how we plant barley grass, and how we of course process our product before shipping it to different countries for further processing. So thank you very much, everyone. This is Joey Marcelo. I'm the CEO of Sante. The world will be the playing field of this entire Sante barley family. Thank you and see you all in our next travel.
Experience the taste of New Zealand!